All right, good morning. Good morning, everyone. All right, cool, Stretch. I just reading what you're put here. Good. Morning meetup in the member area. In the member hangout, I assume. All right, this thing on. Can you guys hear me? Anybody? Somebody? Anybody? Good morning, good morning. Try that again. Good morning, Dave. PBR. Stretch. Good morning. Take it, it's working. We'll get going here in a little bit. Ooh, gold coming down.
Okay.
Hey, good morning.
Morning.
Just taking a look around.
I was starting to look at that CL long, but it pushed down further, so I went got me some stuff.
Yeah, I was looking at GC, but it didn't quite set up. RTY might be setting up.
Yeah. Sitting
Uh,
right on top of the open here. I actually, it's probably not that bad. I think you either got a chance of the ES turning here, or you got to go down a little bit lower. Probably. Yeah, like straight to
yeah,
negative
kind of
leg
at no
82.
man, kind of in no man's land with the S and NQ right now. I don't really.
Well, they came back to those daily
Yeah,
range.
it is in the daily range.
Um,
It's right around the. What do they do? They drop it at the open to continue their little crawl up, or what are they thinking?
uh, That's an interesting one today, isn't it?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'm gonna be cautious today. Oh,
I I would look for somewhere from yesterday's like range on the top side later in the morning into the afternoon. Look for a long
that
there.
is.
If it gets below that, I think the drop is really a drop. It's ES. Same for the NQ. Probably exact same thing for RTY. A little different there for RTY,
RTY is a little different, yeah.
but it's still in a pretty valid area though. I mean, for all three of the indices we're looking at, if they get below any of those consolidated areas from yesterday,
Yeah, they got some room.
that's I would I would take a bigger tick chart bear flag in that situation. So we can put that in the
Don't.
game plan today if you want to.
Yeah, it's like I don't disagree with that. I'm looking at it
Um,
right now.
again, if the ES stays below, anywhere down here at like 71, stays below 71, I'd probably be looking to short that. NQ stays below pretty much where it ended the day at. Down here below 25, was that 8? Let's call it just 25, 8 or 20. Kind of have to short
Mm,
that.
almost got to see us just getting below all this stuff right here, just as low
R2Y below.
of the 89. Hmm. Tempting.
It's tempting to look at the buy. It really is.
Hmm. What time is it? 25. I got 4 minutes. Oh, wait.
I really want to get in the CL too.
Oh, it's setting up, isn't it?
Mm-hmm. Uh,
That's 61.36.
yeah. We got, yeah, the long on RTY. Uh, oh, good. Everyone got stuff set up.
I do kind of like that CL.
Yeah.
Let's
Yeah.
see what this what this bar does here, but
75 ticks. I don't think about this for a second.
36, 37, I'm around there. 61.36.
Well, it stayed, so if it goes any lower now, yeah, I got 37. Maybe we should go down to 36. I don't think that matters, because if this bar goes any lower, I'm canceling it. If it goes a tick lower, yep, never mind. Not doing
Nope,
that.
forget that idea.
That's a good little test. Make sure my buy stop works. Just make sure I can put a buy stop in.
Mm.
My mouse clicks properly this morning.
I gotta drop this at the open.
Is it
Yes, going
GC?
down.
Is it GC long? Can't take that. I'm not touching it.
No, can't take that. Didn't set up right. I was looking at it, but it didn't set up right for me.
No, no. A little bigger candle than I wanted it to be.
RTY is failing also. I think this is going down to the open. I think they're gonna.
When you look at the euro being up the way it is, that is ridiculous.
Everything. Look at
Pretty weak.
gold.
Hmm?
Everything is just
I
strange times.
I would look at a short on the if we got a nice little clean swing here on the 6E. I'm gonna try to trade that today. I think we're gonna have some good opportunity probably in the RTY today. We'll probably have that. If it doesn't stay in this little range. And I think the fear is that we probably end up with a little bit of what we saw yesterday on the big two ES and NQ. Probably
Yeah.
a few opportunities, but jump on them when we get them.
It's cold today. Whew.
Yeah, it's like 50 degrees
Long on
here.
RTY. I don't know about long on RTY yet. We're looking at it, but
I'd have to come out with a pretty nice little wick right there for me. I don't know.
I mean above that. What is
If it,
that?
yeah, I mean,
72.1.
if it wasn't so close to the open, I'd probably say yeah. We're
I
sitting
will
right on
know
top
in
of the open.
6 seconds.
Let's see. What do you guys want to do with this? I mean, if you're brave enough, jump in at RTY long, but I'm not going to. They didn't dump it like you thought. Well, they're starting to dump it in Q. There's your RTY long working out, guys.
Mhm. You're gonna laugh. I actually had a buy stop and forgot I'd put it on earlier.
In the
So
RTY?
yeah,
You
so I
ran
got
it?
lucky.
Oh, turkey.
I completely forgot I'd put it on early and then I didn't erase it.
I like this. I still like the CL long. I just don't like the way it looks now. It is trying to set up though, isn't it? I think I'm a
The
little
L is
behind.
looking like it wants to. You'd have to go now if you're gonna do it, right?
Yeah. Just didn't quite set up the way I
Doesn't
wanted to.
doesn't look super clean.
Mm-mm. Um, a little concerned that that might fall on me.
Oh wait, I'm a little scalp of an RTY trade basically.
Yeah, look at that drop after the initial push on the open.
I mean, I wouldn't have taken that had I not putting it on earlier when it was setting up. They're gonna dump this. This is gonna go. Wah.
Well, CL is holding. If it can, no, it's not gonna stay. Never mind. Let's see where I would want to buy it from now. Probably somewhere on the pivot.
Yeah, a little bit lower, maybe. Yeah, yeah, that would be good. Actually, you got VWAP right there too. That would be
Yeah,
good.
some good stuff there. Good price actually. I got a really strong level there. Right around the pivot, maybe just a tad lower.
What are they doing here with the ES and NQ? Nothing.
Huh?
I'm looking at ES and NQ. Say, what are they doing here? Nothing.
Nada. Whole lot of nada. I forgot to rotate my accounts this morning.
You do what?
I said I forgot to rotate my accounts this morning.
Oh,
Okay, let's see if we get something here on this CL. If the ES can just junk out of this junk out of the junk, I'd take a trade on it.
so there's some
Same for the
technical
NQ.
analysis. Junk out of this junk.
Hey man, that's how technical I get.
All you gotta do is junk out of the junk.
All right, don't you play games here, CL. You need to go a little bit lower, and I'll buy you. I'm not gonna get suckered in on that trade. Watch it pop from here too.
Yeah, it's right at the VWAP.
I want it to be a little bit lower and then close back above the structure. Don't always get what I want, though, do I? What does VWAP for it?
Right here, right now, literally.
Mm.
898, 60, 98,
All right, I'm gonna try it.
97.
I'm gonna try it. What's that high? Is 60.03. High is 03.
Ah,
I got
I
in
missed it.
a little
I
bit too
couldn't get in.
early. I don't think I'm gonna give too much. I'm gonna try to get both my targets here. Right there. There we go. 2 targets off. Now
I could
just
not
run,
get
baby,
in quick
run.
enough. Could not. Don't chase it, Paul. Don't chase it.
Bite your, bite your fingers. Tie your fingers up. Come on, CL. You know you can do it. Maybe I should go tick or two tighter just to lock in a little bit more profit here. All right, look at that. That's fancy.
Yeah, that's a good way to start it off. Took that ride without me, but that's good.
Bye bye.
Good trade.
0-1 stop. 0-1 stop. Do I want to try to get this all the way back up? Target this up here? That'd be beautiful. Man, that'd be awesome if it ran like that. There's a chance it could. Probably a realistic target. Maybe a couple ticks lower on target. Oh, mouse is all shaky this morning. Mouse hand. My mouse hand. Yeah, I'm just gonna put this at break even and just leave it there for now. And if it comes back and gets it, oh well. All right. All right. NQ's getting down here. ES still chopping down. It doesn't really give me a lot of think hope that we should be looking for that long yet. Um, should probably look at that RTY short. To be honest with you, even though it wasn't quite overbought. 6E. There was my short. Dang it. It's too preoccupied there with the RTY. Tell you what though, if it stays up here, I'd still probably look for this short if it doesn't break this high here on the 6E.
6E.
Don't have any levels up here yet, but I sure would look for it. Sure would. Are you talking?
No, I'm just staring at a confusing screens.
Confused. It's
I
my
don't see
first.
anything I like.
It's my
Nothing.
first day. No, well,
Not
that's
a
what I'm saying.
damn.
Is ES can't do it in this junk. NQ can't take it, even though it's setting up for the long, without the ES working with it. Although now the ES is pushing out of that junk. So, but if these two don't work in tandem, I'm not going to take the trade because there's some
Right.
trickery
That's
afoot.
the thing.
There's some trickery if they don't work in tandem. I'm going to go under this little shelf here for my stop on CL. One more tick up here. Oh, go on. Keep going up. It's a good stop, though. I mean, it's behind all the stuff on the way down. Just stay up there. Either way, good trade. Go. Don't do it. Stay. Go up. Oh well, it's gonna get my stop. All right. Like I said, that NQ set up for the long, but that didn't.
That's a tough one to
That
take.
was yeah. I
Would
mean,
have worked out though.
I did call it. I mean, maybe somebody got it, but it just wasn't in my playbook. It ended up being like a V bottom on the bigger time frame or the smaller tick chart for the ES. So that was definitely a long, even though I'm kind of partial to the short if it gets back to the top of this range again. But those were definitely longs. Some people got the long. Oh, there you go. Some people got the long. Good. Oh, good. All right, great. Stretch, Sandra. Great job, guys.
Nice.
Good job. You may doing this beautiful CL trade with me? It's got it's pretty. Now I'm gonna be in it for the ride. That low right there is
Yeah, I wish
oh
I'd have took
09.
that one.
I'm in the right. Stop then. Run, baby, run. Dave McCoy got it. All right. A few people got it. Oh
Oh, people
wow.
got it.
Some people got it.
Nice.
Good job this
All
morning,
right.
people. Everybody
I'm
doing
making
pretty
some money
good.
this morning.
Everybody doing pretty good. Laid back, relaxing, being all cool. Making some
Shooting some
money outside of
b-ball.
the school.
Out by the school.
Mm. All right.
All
I
right.
gotta say, if this bar pushes back down on the 6E, I'm still interested in it. Below that R2 level.
Looking at the possible
It's a big risk, but I like
short
it.
here.
I like it. Let me just think about that for a little bit. What are you looking for? A short?
Looking for a short on the NQ if it sets
Yeah.
up.
I would not disagree with that. Really would not disagree with that. Got another stop here at 61.10. A bit
Big
more
bar
tip
though.
step. There we go. All right. Yeah, I would entertain the ES short up here now. If it goes a little bit higher, I would entertain that. Yeah, I'll be right back in a second.
Okay. Yeah, I think we might have missed this entry on the ES. Look at that. Yeah, just all right. What you gonna do here, NQ? Just couldn't take that short on the NQ, even though it did set up. It's just too big a risk. I don't like this. I just don't like any of it. I don't like the price action. I'm willing to wait for my trade, so short GC coming up. Yeah. If it sets up, that does look like it would work. Take a look at that, actually. Yeah. Yeah, George short GC would, let's see. I don't know. I am cautious today, to say the least. Actually, you know what, Tom? I rolled GC. Is there more volume in the Feb contract? Probably should have looked. On the April contract, you're getting a short now.
On
Setting up.
the oh wait, should I be on the April contract?
Oh, I don't know. I mean, he
I
might.
didn't even
You
think
guys
about
might.
that.
I mean, I just rolled it. I didn't even think about it, to be honest with you.
I did too.
It's,
You know better than I do, Ninja.
I mean,
Feel
it's
like I should
got decent
probably try to
volume.
use. Let me do a little better stop here on the TL. We got 17. It doesn't seem like the volumes change is that much different. So I'm not. I'm fine with the April contract.
He says, Tom says Feb has twice as much volume. Okay.
Huh? It does. Oh,
Well,
okay.
let's go take a look at it. Let's take a look. GC
Oh wow.
02-26.
Yeah. Guess we ride the February one for a little bit longer.
It doesn't look that different to me, but okay. GC space 02 GC 02-26.
What's the volume difference?
It doesn't look. It is a little bit more, but not anything. That's fine. We'll stay with February. Doesn't matter. Why not?
Well, Tom, you're the official. Remind me to move it to April when it's
March,
time.
April,
Yeah, that's your job now, Tom.
February. It is. I have moved everything back. Ooh, look at that. That short would have worked on.
Yeah, I would have actually. I would have traded that GC short now.
Yeah, that was cleaner on there than the other contract.
Good call, Tom.
Okay.
There's my 6E short working out that I didn't get into. I should have just put that sell stop in. I knew I wanted that. We'll get the long. Did you take the short? Curious if you took that. Nope. Okay. I'm I was cutting some pickles and onions up yesterday, Paul, and I stopped to relish the moment.
That was too obvious. Oh.
I'm gonna get some text messages about that one. Oh nope, I can't get text messages because my phone broke again today. I can't say that I dropped it in the ocean this weekend, but
Oh,
they $5.
that's
This is the dumbest thing on the planet. So I go in the store because I couldn't get anywhere with the insurance company on the phone. I couldn't get anywhere, and I was like, all right, fine, I'm gonna go to the store. Go to the store. They're like, oh yeah. Have you done any damage to it? I was like, nope, nothing at all. Any water? Nope, not at all. Okay. They go through the questions. Are you guilty questions? I answer no to all of them. The guy sits there and he looks at it and takes it back, comes back out. And he's like, well, we're gonna have to replace it. And I was like, oh man, how much is that gonna be? He goes, $5. And I was like, what? Are you kidding me?
what was that all
Like,
about?
I was like, why? Why is it just free? $5? What the hell is that $5
I
going for?
guess they make you got to pay something. Got some skin in the game, I guess. I don't know.
$5. I was like, man, $5. What? And then somebody told me. I told somebody else. I told a friend I saw yesterday afternoon. He was like, "Oh yeah. When I did my thing a few years ago, they maybe charged me $5." And I was like, "What? It costs more to ship the freaking phone than $5. I don't get it. It costs more to ship the phone." Um, well, that long was the way to go. I don't know how we could have gotten into it. Maybe the NQ long on the pullback, lower, smaller tick chart, but didn't see that coming. Would you
Let's
entertain
see
looking for the
here.
short up here? I think maybe if it
Nah,
sets up
there's no.
perfectly, huh?
Yeah, good. I was checking volume on gold. There's no difference.
Flat on CL. Good job, guys. Suck, man. It sucks now.
Total volume. See, total volume 45497. Total volume 45501. Nah, no difference.
What? Where?
I was just checking volume on gold. February is 45,557
Oh,
total
it
volume,
changed.
and then 45,556. So on the other, so
April.
yep, yep, they're split,
Let's just
but
go. Let's just go to
we'll
April.
stick with Feb.
Let's go. Why? Oh, whatever. Stay with it for today. Switch it over tomorrow.
Yeah, that's what I said. Let's stay with Feb.
Are we
Now
entertaining the short or not?
that was short on
Yes. NQ.
ES. Yes, I do like this area here,
It's time to
especially on
set
the
up.
ES.
Yeah. I got a pretty good level. And it respected it last night too. Nope. Not entertaining that short. Do we switch our thought process and say if it stays above these areas, we take the bull flag
Uh,
today? I was dead set if it stayed below to look at a bear flag, but I don't know if I'm dead set on a bull flag.
hard to take this breakout up here.
No, it would have to pause and make a little structure, and then break above that, and it have to be above, and it have to be above, stay above this Globex high.
High, yeah. It's got. I almost want to see it go up, come back, and retest it.
I'm
Then
we still
if
entertain
it
the
doesn't
short probably
fail,
though.
that's what I'm saying. Just let it go up, break the high, come back down through, and then see if it fails, if it holds.
It'd have to stay down, right? This bar would have
Right,
to stay down.
have to stay down.
Oh, do we look at it? That's just not the perfect setup for me. I'd have to be a little bit. That's short though. If anybody wants to jump in it,
It is
not
definitely short.
okay. Now maybe I have a sell stop here. Okay, don't do it before I put it in. It's gonna
Nope.
break it. If it breaks the high there, it becomes a long. Tick too tight. Maybe you could have a buy stop up here. Maybe then that would be above. That would be above the
Oh,
Globex.
675. Yeah, you just take a breakout there.
That would technically be a breakout trade. I don't know if I can get it
Oh,
down with the bull flag, but that's
I
it.
don't know about that. 0675 would be the breakout if anybody's interested.
Yeah. There's a high of that is
There it is.
56.50. Yeah, there you go. There's your breakout. That wasn't in my not in my plan.
No, that's not in my plan.
Not in my plan. I would have loved this to see two little wicks up here turn around. This candle turn around and take off to the downside. That would have been cool. Been a good trade. I mean, you
If it
could have.
holds this overnight high, the short definitely
What
becomes
is
more
it now?
interesting.
What is it? What are we looking at? I don't think it's.
Oh, 650.
It's already broken that.
That's what I'm saying. But if it holds it, if it just doesn't
It's
keep
not gonna
going,
hold it. It's not. It's not. You can see it. Price action says nope. We're going up. All
well,
right.
breakout would have worked.
I thought about it, but I just couldn't pull the trigger on that. First trade on the ES for the day or NQ being a breakout trade. I just don't have that. It wasn't really in my thought process. Now, what I would entertain, Paul, is something a little bit lower for a long on the RTY. It's got to get out of this area. Actually, as a matter of fact, anything for RTY, up or down right now, I would take. It's in a nice area where it's ranged before inside day. Yeah, I'll take the next setup on RTY. Okay, it's trying to set the short up, Paul. Do we do it on the ES?
I'm
It
liking.
is so
I
trying
mean,
to
I
set
want
it
it
up.
back. I want it back below.
Well, that would take it below the
I would
650.
take it below. Yeah, that's what I said. It's exactly the play I said. So
Oh my
I'm gonna
goodness.
put one here. I'm gonna put one below here and
Below
just let it
525.
sit.
So, how about five?
Oh, 5. Yeah, that's exactly. 5 is exactly where I'm talking, because that would be a breakdown below.
All right, I guess I'll get ready to do the NQ with it if it happens.
Uh, let's see what NQ looks like. Not quite as.
Well,
You know what? I will take it on
pretty
here though.
overextended though.
Mm-hmm.
If the ES makes, I'm gonna hit the market at NQ. I got it on another account here, on another screen. Might have to pull the target one tick tighter too, like a four tick target. It's trying to.
See what happens. It's looking like it wants to.
Trying to. NQ's setting up actually.
Yeah,
Got
almost underneath
a
that
nice
ledge right there.
setup on the NQ. That's tempting, isn't it?
It is. I'm tempted to take both of them.
That's really tempting if it stays there. This bar's got to stay. All right, you sold me. It's got to stay there though. Got to. Bar's got to stay there.
Come on. There we go. All
Ugh.
right, we're in that
All
trade.
right, I'm gonna do the one tick up on my target. Okay, NQ turnaround. I'm not gonna give this a lot of room. If this doesn't start to make this trade now, and if the NQ stays up, I gotta cancel it. All right, it's trying to, isn't it?
Looks like it.
You can just go a couple ticks lower. Let's see if this NQ turns around. If the NQ turns around, then I'm happy. If the NQ doesn't turn around, I might cancel this. NQ's got to turn around. It's not turning around. We got to close it out, Paul.
All right.
I'll put the freaking trade back in. Well, maybe it's turning around now. Maybe it'll turn around. Yes, it's still staying down.
Yes, the damn
I'm
problem
not
is
gonna take the
NQ's
bite
doesn't.
though. I can't take this. I'm not gonna take the hit. I'll take $100 hit. Yeah, close
Yeah,
it, put it back in.
I'll jump out with a small little.
Take a small loss. I mean, it's only $75.
Yeah, it's gonna go. Yeah, because NQ's about to break up. So.
Yeah, I was looking at that
Oh,
bar there. I'm just gonna
yeah.
put a sell stop back in. But I'm gonna do it below this ledge here because that's if it breaks this area. Let's see, something like
04 and a quarter or oh
yeah,
four.
or even lower. Let me think about that for a second. Like four would be. This NQ still staying up there. I
That's the problem.
I don't like it. I don't like it.
Nope.
I'm gonna take
You know what?
$75. I don't like it.
I'll be
It's
back. We'll use the restroom.
it's not doing it right.
I don't like it either. I'm just tempting myself into a trade
It's a
that I don't
stupid
want to
trade.
take.
Yeah, not gonna do it. Even
Although it's
though
going to work.
we can
Here it
do the
comes.
shoulda coulda wouldas, but looking at this price action, this is flipping
Let's
a
wait for
coin
a
up or
clean
down
one.
right now. It should
All
have
right,
made on the second. This
there's your entry.
you see what I'm saying? Is this bar right here should have finished the trade. Should have
Well,
got
but
us
now the
targets.
NQ is starting to turn though.
I know it is. It is. I don't like it. I don't like the price action, Paul.
I know. Um,
I mean, if it had like a couple bars earlier, if it had turned around, I'd be happier. If the ES had finished on one of these two bars down, I've been happier.
yeah.
No bar finished down.
I'm gonna step away. Be right back. Be right back.
All right. Let's see. The bottom gold. Yeah. Ah, that's a bit. That's how about have an entry for that though? Really. I mean, the only place I can look at even entering this would be up here. Like it's a little bit much risk for me on that gold trade. But you'd be in it now if you wanted it. And try to get your target off. All right, there you go. Started thinking I might stop a little tight on this CL here. Oh, wait, hold on a minute. Where are my pivots at on this chart? I don't know why it puts my stuff at the top of the screen. Indicators. Oh, for some reason it's not on it. I have enough days loaded.
All right, all that and it didn't even move, huh? Came back and still there.
Yeah, but if that candle closed above that pivot, Tom, that's a stay in
Double
trade.
bottom on gold. Scalped 100.
So you got some buying pressure on the NQ and selling pressure on the ES. Are you in the gold PBR? Good job. That's a good call on Tom's part. I just couldn't. I didn't have a good entry for me. Or I would I would
Right
have
at
done
that
it.
pivot.
I would have done that gold trade if it if it was not near the pivot, if there's some ifs, if it had a better setup. Actually,
Yes.
I would have done it if it had a better setup, just two smaller candles down here. I would have done the long on the gold. I got no problems with it. I like this. This was a setup I like on gold. Two or three candles that stop in one spot, exact same price, and turn around. Smaller candles. That is a trade that I take. Stop too tight. All right.
Too tight.
I want the RTY, but
Pull
like
the
I've been
Tom.
saying, but that's not a setup that I'll take either. One wick setup, nope. So maybe we'll get the short off a rally here, and that's about all I see. Now I would entertain a long if we come back down around the 89 there, which would be some Globex levels on the ES here.
Yep.
That that's a little bit more entertaining for me, a little bit more. Those can come with a big if it sets up right. And then here in a few minutes, I'm gonna have to go pay homage to. Oh,
Go see a man about a horse.
yeah.
A really big horse.
Okay, maybe we're setting up. Maybe we're setting up on the ES. Maybe.
For long.
Yeah. So
See,
I wanted to
look,
go a
that ES
little
played
bit
out the way
lower.
that ES played out exactly what I said. I wanted it to go above it, come back down below the overnight high and fail. That's exactly what it did.
Buy stop
Just didn't do
right
it.
here.
It just didn't do it pretty. Ah, man. Yeah, I mean it's a long. It is not quite overbought stochastic. Yeah, it is oversold stochastic.
Yeah.
So what is that? 7,000.5?
Yeah. 1.5. You know, I just realized too that was resistance from the prior time it hit the all-time highs.
All right. Let's see. Come on, baby. I'm not gonna give this a
Yeah.
whole lot of.
Again, I'm gonna play this the same way. It's a valid setup. That's all I can say.
It's a valid setup for sure.
It's a valid setup. See, this low is 98, 97.75. All right, let's go. Come on, go and get that target. You know you can do it. Hey,
There we go.
target's
Target.
off.
Booyah.
Boom,
A little
shakalaka.
bit, little
Yeah.
pucker factor on that one, but
That was like a pucker factor. A scale of 1 to 10, maybe a 3. Pucker factor 3. I got it in this NQ at the same time. I got a target off. I just don't know which one I'm on, what account I'm on. I had that on the wrong account from yesterday, but that's okay. All right. 58. Yes, NQ long, 58 minutes.
all right.
All right, let me put a stop up here a little bit on the NQ. Let's go to something like
Oh, I didn't take it on
41.
the NQ. Good job. I only took it on the ES.
I finally once got when I said I was going to take both, dude. I need to think about targets real quick.
Look at you making money.
Oy, oy, oy.
You
Where
might
is
want to
the
move that
target?
money on.
I
You might
know. I
want to
don't.
move that target on the ES. I was like, I don't know
Yeah,
if you
I'm
want to have
thinking
that
about
there.
like. Okay, let's go up a couple ticks on the stop. This is a really good target on the NQ at the top of this little range here. I think I might would. I'm gonna target that, and then bring my stop up a little bit. A little squeeze play on this puppy. And let's get the stop up a little tighter. I'm fine with that target on the NQ. Really fine with that. It's a $500 trade right there. How did that not get my
This
target?
thing's gonna go. Move. I'd get that ES out of the way. It's gonna
I'm
go.
trying to. Stop up
I would not put your
to
stop at the top up there.
375.
Yeah,
I
that's a
think
good place. If
I'm
it comes
tight.
back, that's a heck of
350.
a trade.
350 is where we probably should be.
Yeah, 50 is where I'm at. 3.5.
Man, it just blew through that junk. I thought it would turn around a
Mm-hmm.
little bit on the NQ. It just blew right through it.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. You move those stops. It doesn't look like it's gonna.
I'm the one time I don't think my trade's gonna run. I always think the trade's gonna run and move my target. This one time it didn't do it.
All right. Well, that pretty much locks in a pretty good morning between your CL trade, which I didn't get, my little RTY scalp, and that one loser on the ES, and these two winners.
That makes it
That's a pretty darn
good.
good morning.
Good,
Yeah.
good, 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 good.
I
Hey, did you
don't know
guys
what
get
else.
this? I want to ask.
Hopefully, you guys are making some money. Go, go, gold. Too tight.
That's real.
Stop too
That's
tight.
really
Oh, dude. Are
two
you out,
normal dudes
PBR?
trading.
Did you pull a Tom? PBR pulled a Tom.
Pull a Tom.
You're down a K. What? How? We
Gray,
haven't taken any
well, you
trades that would
can't.
put you
You
down a.
all
How? It's
right,
impossible.
Gray. You
All
can
right,
only take the
we need to
trades I
talk,
take.
dude.
Then I'm gonna kick you, Gray. Everybody
Everyone pulls
pulls.
a Tom every now and
That's
then.
true. Everybody does pull a Tom every now and then.
Gray, man, let's talk later. Let's figure that out.
Yeah, you're in trouble, buddy.
Yeah, dude. You can't
Made 230. Nice, Devin. Good job.
pay 230. Yeah, dude, there's no
Ah,
way you should be down $1,000. We haven't had any trades that put you down $1,000. Either
he
you're
just did
over
it so he could.
leveraged
He
or
did it
you're
so he
doing
could.
your own thing.
He did it so he could get yelled at and get a coaching
Yeah, he just
session.
wants to get yelled at.
He wants to get a coaching session. He's like, I'm
He
gonna
wants a
do this and
coaching
get my
session.
coaching session.
I want my coaching session. We'll get that fixed.
Yeah, Devin. Hey, man, that paid for a couple months of membership, Devin.
Hey, good job, Devin. 230. Nice job.
Doesn't follow the trend.
Yeah,
That's
well,
all
that's
it
a
did.
painful
All
lesson,
right.
man. $1,000.
Send the trade. Hey, Gray, send your trade to us. Put what you did wrong, or put it in the Discord, or put it in the WhatsApp. One or the other.
Yeah, 230 would
Like
have paid
some.
for your easily pays for several months of your membership in here, Devin.
Yeah, it's a couple months.
Up 1,300. Good job, PBR. Good job, guys.
PBR. Nice.
Post
Oh
your
yeah,
P&Ls
that's
in the
right.
P&L section.
Oh good. Glad you're in 7-day free trial.
Everybody, anybody else new here? Or is it just all the people we know?
I don't. I haven't looked.
Somebody new?
I'm only looking at chat. I haven't looked at the list of people. I really don't know.
I am. I wish I'd have got that CL with you. I'd be real green if I got that CL with you, but
I'm pretty happy with
that's
what I've
okay.
done this morning so far.
Me too. I'm all right. I'm not complaining.
Pretty happy with what I've done so
A
far.
couple more accounts I got to trade, so I got
Now,
to find some trades.
let's entertain this RTY short. It's
RTY,
just about.
RTY.
I got maybe
Uh,
two. I got a few more
needs to go a
accounts to
little
trade.
higher, I think. Yeah, I got a couple more accounts I got to trade too. So
We got all day though. Got all day.
yeah, that's true. This is
I'm
true.
happy with this being a morning. Let's put it that way. I can get
I
the
was
rest of the accounts this afternoon.
still in the ES long.
You are still
Yeah,
in
you
the
might
ES
want
long.
to.
Then put your stop.
You, you might want to tighten up a little bit because
Yeah, you need to put your stop under this ledge then,
yeah,
because that's where the short came from. Yeah, something like that. Yeah, that low is 350, 325. Yeah, that's good stop. Good stop. Good stop, sir. I'm going to look at the RTY up here at this pivot. It's on the 89 downtrend pivot. I mean, that's a nice little level there, too, from yesterday. Anywhere in this area, if we get a good setup, I'll take it.
let's see what's gold doing. Gold's not doing anything.
No, I can't trade the gold right
Low,
now.
small creep down.
I can't short the 6E. Can't do that. I mean, every time it tries to set up, it doesn't really finish. Um, I would have gotten
CL's
a
kind
little
of
bit out of that first short, but can't do it. If anything, you might be looking for a breakout long on. Well, you just missed it. Never mind. 160. Um, CL. It's junk right now.
junk. Yeah.
Not trading the ES or NQ up in this junk either. Right back to the chop zone. Although you got a nice little inverse head and shoulders on the big tick chart. That might say entertain a breakout for both the NQ and the ES. But you got the euro running up too, which is really that I don't like that much.
One,
Or we'll
two,
just be happy with
three.
what we did
Got a
so far.
big trend line on GC. Big trend line
Where?
on the 600 tick. 1, 2, 3 touches above. Just think. I mean, GC's looking. It's
Here?
nothing right now. Oh, I'm not watching. Yeah, I think is that a 600 tick? Yeah, it's a 600 tick.
Maybe 500.
Yeah, you
I
can go all the way
can't
back
tell.
to like 3 in the morning. And yep, just like that. 3 touches going on 4 right now. That's a good trend line.
Okay. All
That's a
right.
clean one. I like those big long trend lines. So
Clean trend line. I could entertain that.
just see what it does up here.
Would totally entertain that.
Be a good place to maybe look for a short. Actually, you're getting one now.
You know how I'm about GC though. It's got to be those tiny little candles, preferably
Mm-hmm.
wicks. The swing's there. I like the swing. But then the April contact's not doing it the same way. Actually, there's a trend line on the April one as well. Okay. Entertain the breakout or not on the NQ and ES?
Wow. Right back up here at the overnight high. What time is it? 10:18. We still got the Crable break, but that's a big Crable. I don't. Crable's at '07 on ES.
Not gonna do that on the. Yeah. Oh well. You know. I mean, it happened.
Just talking out loud.
775.
Yep, that's exactly where it would be.
8. Oh, are you gonna talk me into a Crable this morning? I like the idea of the NQ breakout better. Again, it sure does look a lot like an inverse head and shoulders, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know if I want to use that account. Oh wait, I definitely need to change this account. Let's go to this one. Okay. Look at it. Keep your eye on the RTY for me. And I want this one on that account. It's not trying to do it, huh?
No.
Well, in that case, I'm gonna do my mandatory coffee break. I'll be back.
Yeah, go for it. Let's see. Coffee break, PBR. Yeah, that sounds good. I still got coffee though. I'm good. My coffee's good this morning. Of course, it's good every morning. I may have to go take a break too, I think, because I think this is settling into nothing. Oh, rangy, choppy S, NQ. RTY didn't, just went through the pivot, didn't give the short setup. CL, no, nothing. Gold, nothing. I got nothing. Just as I say that, it comes down.
All right.
It didn't miss
GC
anything.
did not set up.
Nope.
Got another breakout.
RTY is
Trying to
maybe
set
starting
up,
to set
isn't
up
it?
now. Trying to now.
Yeah, that's about where I wanted to sell it from.
Back into that pivot. That would be a short at what, 71.8?
Yeah, oof. Got to do it now if we're going to do it. Well, that one just went without me.
I got in.
You did?
I did.
I did too much analyzing and not enough action.
Just don't like it. I don't like it, this pivot here. I'll get this first target off quick. If
All right, well, good
it
job.
breaks the pivot, I'll be happy. Keep going. Close below there.
Hey, y'all need to be getting into the member hangout in the mornings.
Yes, Stretch is in there now. He's doing his thing at 9, I think is what he said. What time you doing the member meetup? 9 a.m. Get in there early. You guys talk. Everybody has access in there. Everybody can talk. God, that could get ugly. Everybody on the mic. All right, you know what? I'm going to do this. I'm going to take
Ooh.
my second target off here. And now I got one, and I'll just put this thing at break even. And if it runs, it runs. If it doesn't, I don't care.
There you go.
Got my locked in profit.
Smart trading.
Because
Smart
I'm not
trading.
seeing this thing. I'm not too excited about it. And Q
I mean,
possible long.
oof. I don't really want to trade the ESNQ with the way that they're acting. I think we got the good trade. I wish I was in this RTY short with you. That's about the only thing that I feel like I missed.
Freaking
Should have taken action on it. I
break
like
and
the
hold
preset
below
chart.
all this right here. You got VWAP pivot 89. You got everything right
I
here. If we
like
can
this
hold
trade a
below here,
lot.
it could go. Like I said, I
If
got.
this candle finishes down, you're in a good trade. It's going all the way back down here. Maybe
That's what I'm
even
saying.
more.
I will like it a lot better if this thing
There
closed.
you
Oh,
go.
it
Yeah,
did.
you're
It
good.
looks like it did.
You were
Yeah,
good.
we're
That's a
okay
good
now.
trade. And this is its structure. I like this setup on the RTY. When you get a few candles that kind of don't know what they're doing, makes funny little M's. That's my favorite setup on RTY. That was the one I looked at. Where's that one I took the other day? It was what was it? It was Thursday, I think. Yeah. This one. This short was I believe it was yeah. It was this one. This one here. I like this. When it just has the, it's almost like the uglier the setup, the better on the RTY. Look at that trade for you, Paul. Look at that.
It's working.
Yeah, yeah. I just wish I was in it.
Now I wish I wouldn't have took that second target off. Let's give it a little more room.
I told you I liked the trade. I liked it. I like the area. I like where it came from. I like
Well, I just panicked because it was all around all this. You
yeah.
had everything was right there. A pivot,
See, that's why I don't
89
put
on
all
that.
that stuff on my charts.
I figured, you know what? I'll just lock in profit. If it
No,
breaks,
that's a
great.
smart
I
thing to
mean,
do.
it's a great trade. I
It's
got
a
one
smart thing to
contract on.
do.
Let's
It's just
let it run.
it is a smart thing to do. Yes, long John Cap. I just can't do it in
ES
this
long.
junk. I'm not. I mean, if you're gonna do it, you gotta do it above this wick.
I'll be honest with you. For
That
me,
high right there is
Tim, it's got to be a break above
50,
06.
275. You'd have to be in now. I just don't. It's not. I mean, now
I
you're
mean, you'll
target.
get a
Now you're
scalp out of
targeting
it.
off. Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, it's a trade. It's just not getting me the not getting. It's just, let's put it this way. It's not in my rule set. It's too close to all this other stuff. Now look at this. Look at the smaller tick chart. It's too close to all that crap. I need swings out of this. That's just not my trade plan. Valid trade though.
07, 0775.
We're going back to eight, breakout at 8.
Uh-huh. 0775.
I
So
mean,
break out of,
I
yeah.
guess if it did finally break that, it would probably have legs to run. And you got a nice little shelf here at on the NQ right at that R, right at that pivot level. Which one is it? Right around R1. That's it. It's actually not a bad thought. I think yeah. I mean like above. They're both at 75, 75. 775 and 75, 75. So
Hmm.
that that would be a thought. Still trying to convince myself if I should do that or not. What do you think, Paul? Dang it. That
Oof.
RTY short's what I wanted too. I would have been happy, completely content. There's your DC breakout of the trend line, break of the trend line.
Oh, shoot. Dang, I wasn't
I
watching.
wasn't gonna do that in minis if I had a micro set up here. I gotta figure out that
I would,
mini to
I,
micro
I
thing
would.
that they were doing. Was it like? Do
I
you
mean,
know
it's easy
the?
for me because I just click back and forth on the chart
Well,
trader.
no, you can change. The Ninja just came out with something. I got an email. I haven't figured it out, but you can change from micros to minis in the middle of a trade.
What?
Mm-hmm.
Hey, what?
And
Shut your
from
mouth.
minis to
No
and
way.
from minis to micros. Yeah. Yeah. Got an email. I'll forward it to you. It's
I'll
for
tell you what,
prop
that's what
account.
I
It's for
like about
prop accounts
Joel's.
only. I think.
Uh,
What'd you say?
so that's what I like about Joel's chart trader is just one click.
Oh yeah,
Boom.
you can be
Mini,
looking at the
micro, mini, micro.
you can be looking at the mini and trade the
Hmm.
micros.
Yeah, I never look at a micro chart. I always look at the minis.
I just don't trade micros. If I can't trade the mini, I don't take the trade.
Ain't taking the trade.
Nope. So I take very few GC trades, but most of them are winners. Like I have a high win rate on GC, really high win rate. I got to be rocking something like a 90 something percent win rate. I need to go look at that. Got to be somewhere around 90 something percent win rate on GC. But I only take that one setup, so I'm getting a little crud in my sinus area. I'll get some. This cold weather. I can click on the RTY chart and see it enlarged. The RTY chart. Um, I can enlarge it. So red wine, you paying attention? I'll do something just because I like you. Okay. Same as the smaller tick chart, right? You get overbought stochastics. Okay. You get some candles that stop in one spot. As soon as that stochastic starts to roll over back in your direction, you take the trade on the short side. Same as what you were doing before with the YM, but it's just a bigger tick chart. That's it. You're gonna get fewer trades, but usually like this long right here. That's a long you probably same thing. Oversold stochastics. Now you're on an inside day. Oversold stochastics. Couple this is a setup I like on the RTY. I would have probably tried to get that one right there as I was paying attention to it. Stochastics start to roll over, get that little hook in stochastics, and go off to the races on the long side. So that's the idea. And you don't trade anything in the middle. Don't trade chops. The rules you're using don't change. Okay, red wine? The rules don't change. It's just a bigger tick chart and a different product. Okay? And here's my ATM for it. But if you want to stay at 2 contracts, you need to take a target at 6 and have a 40 target on the other one. That way you get a quick win. Obviously, the stop needs to go above the swing or below the swing you enter on, even though it's set at 20. Here, just because you're my friend, John. I'm sorry, red wine. Put that in there. Is that helpful? Told you I'd give you this.
Here's your credible breakout.
There you go, buddy. Oh, am I doing it? Are you? You gotta be kidding me. And it's gonna set up for the short
Gotta be
though.
hitting me.
Kidding. Stop kidding around. I'm not taking it. I'm not doing it.
I'm not trading any of this right now.
No. You
I
almost
I
talked
did
me.
jump
You
I
almost
did
talked
jump
me
in
into
on
it.
that breakout on the gold though in micros.
Oh yeah, if I had micro set up, I would probably jump in that breakout too on gold. It's a nice little breakout on gold.
Just can't pass up on those big trend lines like that. It's hard. The win rate,
Maybe I
I got to
should
go
have
back and
switched.
check
I
that
should
because
have
the win
probably
rate,
switched to a 10. Do I still have that 10 contract ATM?
I know people say trend lines don't work, but I disagree.
Well, why do trend lines work?
Big trend lines like that.
Other people are using them.
All I know is my win rate is exceptionally high on those breaks.
The big trend lines.
Yeah. Anytime you got something going back that many hours and 2 or 3, 4 touches, usually when it breaks, you're gonna get a move.
Decently moved
Usually.
back to where it started.
Yeah, pretty much. Pretty much. Not always, but most of the time.
You can probably get back up here. Maybe.
I mean,
There's
it's
a
a winner at
lot
this
putting
point. Who
5-3 up
cares?
here, though. A
Hey,
lot
it's
of.
$200 trade, man, in micros. I'll take that.
That's actually. You know what? I just found a level too. It's a.
Yeah, look at that right there.
That's a
A little lower,
pretty
right?
strong area. I like that's a level. That's definitely a level.
Hey, look at
That
that
is
going back.
definitely a
Woo.
level.
Yeah. It's
Man,
actually a better zone, probably, but yeah.
there's a zone. There's a zone.
Good.
Yeah,
Yeah,
somewhere, right, just below
right
it,
there.
right there.
Yeah. A little
Somewhere
bit.
in
Yeah,
that
right about there.
neighborhood zone. Yeah. All right. You. If I was ready to do it, I'd be looking at this short now that I looked at that. It's a valid short setup. Oh, dude, and that's the one I'm two little candles. Only thing that as I'm looking at this April one now, and it's going up. Are you on the February still?
Yeah,
That's a valid GC short though.
it
And
is.
Gray, stop trading the GC with minis. Stop doing that. You're not me.
Yeah, you'll get your butt
You're
handed to
not
you,
me,
and
Gray. Stop trading it with the minis.
you will get your butt handed to you. Promise you that.
Yeah, that was a valid setup. It passed me, but I probably would have looked at it. I know, not even probably. If I hadn't hadn't have my little paralysis by analysis there, I probably would have put the sell stop. That's my setup too. Two little candles, wicks, the whole 9 yards. You'd have target off easy. That's my setup. That's my jam. Gray ran away.
He's like, screw you guys. Y'all can't trade.
I'm gonna get him. I'm gonna get him somewhere
I don't
else.
know
He
how to
don't
trade.
listen. So stop trading GC with minis. Stop it. Um. Hmm. I gotta look at it. I mean, if you could have held it, that breakout works. I just I was interested in that NQ breakout, but actually that would have worked nicely. Around that
Breakout.
75,
Look,
75
that
call.
Crable worked. Crable worked like a killer. I told you,
Yeah,
0775. Again, not for me, but it's a valid
I
trade. So
couldn't do that one this morning. CL maybe coming up for a short up here. GC missed my short. That actually turned out to be a decent little short on GC. That's my
you almost
trade.
still,
Anybody want to see
you
my
almost,
setup for the GC? That's it right there.
you almost still
There's
got a
my.
shot at it
That's
here.
my.
It
I'm not
doesn't
touching
look
it
like
after
it's.
this.
What's that?
That's not GC you're talking about? No.
Yeah, it looks. I mean, look at it. It
Hmm. Nope. No. I don't chase GC. That's one thing. I will not do that. That's asking for trouble. But you get two wicks on
uh,
top, a couple candles that start at same price.
has a nice short.
That's my perfect. If I were asking for a perfect setup, that would be what I'd look for. These two. This is a good short. That's my setup there. That's my setup.
That's my jam.
That is my oh hot damn. That's my jam. All right. So we tried this before. We talked about it. Do we entertain the short on the ES and NQ up here? I just. What do you think? I do see a trade that I would entertain. I spy with my little eye, and I would respectfully ask that you don't take the trade with me when I call it out. That long.
6E.
You 6E? Yeah.
6E.
Yeah, oh
6E
yeah.
long.
Look at it. God,
Uh,
that's going to a good area.
Look at that freaking breakout on ES. Yeah, I should have
I
took that
know.
damn thing.
Not playing that shoulda, coulda, woulda game. Maybe somebody got it. Any of you guys
No,
get the breakout on the ES? We've only been
we only
talking about it
talked
for
about it an hour beforehand.
an entire hour, 45 minutes at least.
GC
Who
turning
was it?
south. I don't know that GC's turning south, but
Was it?
oh,
There are a
that was
couple
an
new
order.
people. Any of the new people catching some of these trades? Trying to catch on? There's some videos in the education section. Um, uh, any of the new people? If you, let's see if do I have a trade? I got a trade here on 6E. I'm looking at. Actually, actually, might actually be taking that trade right now. I think I'm late on it. Oh, all right.
6E entrance is literally right now.
That's like right now. All right, I'm gonna go in at the market. I mean, well, that's actually probably a better short opportunity now that I look back at this up here at these highs. Oh well, 60 is not gonna kill me.
It's gone.
Maybe I wanted one more candle to be up there, down here. Oh well, it's a setup. You didn't take it, right?
I'm not saying.
I hope you didn't take it, because then I'm gonna.
Uh,
I
if I
sure
tell
hope.
you, you might kill the trade.
Yeah, okay, then I'm gonna take it. I'm getting out of the trade. If you took it with me, I'm getting out of it. Don't trade
Uh,
6E with Paul.
do not trade 6E with me, or just trade the opposite or whatever I do.
Dang it, you're in the trade.
If I go long, you go short.
I mean,
If I go
I
short,
might
you go
sit
long.
back and think about this a little bit longer now.
All right, full disclosure, I'm in it,
I know you are. That's why I'm thinking about it. Let's see where this candle. See where this candle finishes. If it
but I
stays
won't
above
let this
that
go
those
too
two
far.
candles, if it finishes above those two candles, I'll be
If
fine
it
with it.
breaks up above this, I think it's. I
If it
think you'll be. I think we'll get that first target.
if it doesn't, then I'll close it out. Oh, there we go.
Look, if anybody's scared, there we go.
Hey, look at
Target,
that. God, give me my target, you
target.
turkey.
I got me. Look at this. I got me a target.
Finally.
I might actually have a
What is
winning
it?
trade on 6E. Could
Okay.
it be
Oof.
so?
Could it
Could Paul
be
actually conquer the 6E
the
monster?
6E monster? I can just go up the rest of the day. Just the rest of the day,
Actually,
keep going up.
at this point, I have a break even. I have a no lose trade, so I can't lose.
All right. I think we've got a winning trade on every asset this morning.
Yeah, well, we lost that one on the ES that we when we cut short, or at least I did.
Oh yeah, it was
That,
75 bucks, man. Come on.
yeah, it was like $100. I think I lost 100.
The very next
But
one,
other
I
than
think I.
that,
I don't have a.
everything else has been pretty much
I don't have
freaking
a. I
golden.
don't have a red account.
I don't see.
Oh, I took
I
this on the
mean,
wrong freaking account. Oh well.
I'm thinking that this is a whole lot easier for you guys to follow along, right? Somebody tell me what you guys think. Oh, now's your chance. Vent.
Yeah, because I'm
Just don't
definitely not shorting
just don't
NQ or
call me any
ES up here.
names.
Tom, I talked to Tom yesterday on the phone.
Yeah.
He's liking it. He's liking it.
Tom, don't be investing money. Speaking of that, speaking of Tom,
Oh
Just
yeah, right. We did a little announcement
here's a PSA.
for you new people. For the new
We
people.
will not, again, I will restate that. We will never reach out to you. We will not solicit you via direct message in here. We're not going to tell you to go invest money in some brokerage account. We're not going to tell you if you get a message from us, if you
It's
haven't heard us say, "Hey, I'm going to message you right now," it's not us. So don't
the only way to expect a message from us would be a indirect reply to a question that
to
you have
something that
about
you asked.
to something.
Yeah, that's different. Yeah, if you ask us a question, we'll reply, but we will never reach out to you, especially to solicit you via direct messenger in
Right.
here. If
That's
you receive anything, any kind of solicitation from supposedly dude one or dude two, or anybody, Gray or Yeti, anybody that's helped, anybody's here that's an admin on this channel, it's not legit. It's
yes.
not legit.
This is why we have the admin channel,
Yes, you
the
can ask questions in the
contact
admin channel. You can
admin.
direct message us, no problem. You can direct message us and we'll reply
Yeah.
to you.
Just
But
don't expect it to come from us.
yeah, that's the only time that we would
The
engage in
suggestion would be
conversation.
to put your chat in. If you have a question, put it in contact admin. If you have general questions, general chat, obviously. Just go through the channels that we have here. Use those. That's what they're there
Yeah.
for. Education channel. I'll be doing. I was sick last week, as you guys know, but I've got a couple of requests for some education modules. I'm gonna put in probably later this week. I'll have some education modules in the education channel. But I don't. There's not. We're not gonna have a ton of education in there because this is not a complicated process to follow.
No, it's not.
What do you think, David? David, you're new. Or Devin, sorry, Devin. Devin's new. What do you think so
Devin, you had a
far?
good. Devin's had a decent day, right?
Yeah, I think so.
I think he was up earlier.
Good. All right.
Okay, cool.
Do you know us from before, Devin?
You,
Have
oh,
you got
you're in the
6E
six
with
E
us?
trade.
Nice.
Okay. Well, you're gutsy because if anytime I take a 6E trade, you better be careful.
Oh, okay. We had a different trading group
We
before.
had another Devin, didn't we, in the
Yeah,
other group?
didn't know if you were that Devin. Cool.
Look at this thing winning. Look at the 6E. I'm actually making money in the 6E.
6E.
Holy
Look at
smokes.
you.
There is a look at this.
I called the short on the ES and
I
NQ. I
might
just
have a
said I
chance
wasn't
after
gonna take
all.
it. Let's put our stop at where's the low of this candle? It's 8:15. So let's do 8:10 stop.
Heck, I might as well go to
And
break even at that
there we
point.
go. Eh, I follow my rules. My rules say stay one tick behind, so I stay one tick behind.
Okay. All right. I'll leave it there. I'll follow you.
All right. Well, Devin, if you do this all day, we do it in the afternoon too.
Yeah, we'll take a break for lunch here and there. We come and go, but we're here all day till usually, depending on the market, but we'll stay
Yeah, I mean,
as
if it was
long
like
as.
yesterday and boring, I'm not gonna be here.
I mean, we
It varies day to
just.
day, but we keep it somewhere. We usually take a break at 11, and then we come back and then make a decision on whether we're gonna do lunch or not. So could be usually an hour somewhere in the middle of the day, depending on the market. Like when it's slow like this, we might take an hour and a half. If we see some good swings, then usually
Just
no more than 30, 40 minutes, depending on the day.
can we move that stop up a little bit now, or are we still?
I was thinking about that. I was actually looking at this CL, thinking about this short possibly.
Ah,
Worry about that
I don't have one
6E
yet.
stop. Oh,
We don't have anything yet, right? Unless
I
what
kind
below these wicks?
I,
I don't like that. Oh, you don't have there again. We got different. Oh, you're on a 500 tick. Okay, never mind. Let me change
yeah, I
it.
keep going back and forth on it.
I'm just gonna leave it on 600. I think 600 works for me
Yeah,
on all of them.
it doesn't matter. Still looks like I set up on a 600 to me.
All right. So your
You'd need
entry would be
discount.
what?
You'd need to be like, yeah. What's that low?
61.55,
Yeah, 55.
55. Yeah, 0.55.
Oh well, no, a little bit. Just hold tight for a minute. I think I like my 500. I don't know.
What I don't like is this. Well, okay. Why would this?
It looks like a good setup here on the 500 tick. Is what I'm saying. All right, let me think about that for a second.
Hmm.
So we could be below. That's still the same price. 55.
I'm at 55. I mean,
Are you putting it in? Okay. Let me
yeah,
think about
because it's
this.
starting to, even on the smaller tick chart, it's looking like a sell.
Okay. I mean, there's stuff here. I know it's a prior swing high from a Globex level. Oh, we're flat on 6E. Oh well, good trade. All right, definitely changing this account now.
Hey, I made some money on 6E. It's a good day when I can make money on 6E.
I can't take this
So,
trade. I got a phone call I got to take right now.
okay, go
But
take your call.
that's a trade that I would probably look at.
I'm gonna stay in this thing at 61.55. I'm gonna give it a shot. Yeah, I'm gonna give this a shot. Got a little money I can give back off from that CE if it doesn't work. There's 6E. Gold's gold's getting a big M forming here. All right, I'm in the crude trade. I'll put my stop right above that swing, about 61.65, and whatever happens, happens. A big M forming on GC. Let's see what. Yeah, I think the CL might go here. It's looking good.
Keep asking. Did it wick you in?
I'm in. Yeah, I'm in. Yeah, I had a stop. I mean, a
Oh, do
self
I want to
stop.
get in this?
You're gonna get another shot at it,
Maybe,
or
yeah.
you can get it, or you get in at a better price if you really believe in that entrance.
Yeah. I think I'd rather have the sell stop back down here. What is low here? No, I'm gonna let you lose on the trade. Then I'll take the next short.
Fine.
55, 61.55. Huh.
See what this candle does. I may
Well, it's not. I mean,
I
one
may
of the things I like about
kill it and
trading.
get back in if it breaks.
I mean, that's the thing I like about CL and 6E is it doesn't really bite you that much if you. Oh yeah, that's oof. Well, you lost on that one.
Yes, I
I
did.
didn't try that. I wasn't trying to put bad juju on you, for real.
All right, they're not all going to win.
Uh,
I liked it.
what
It
is it,
looked
about
like a good
200 bucks?
entry. It looked like a good short to me.
What
What's
is it?
that?
About 200 bucks down.
No,
The
that was
futures.
full minis.
Oh shit.
Yeah, that one.
Oh well, you'll be trading that account
Uh,
tomorrow, I guess.
I gotta switch accounts on that one. Yeah,
Phone call saved me. That phone call
yeah,
saved me.
that's a full loss on that one.
Dang.
What I did do was miss the long on the NQ.
That what
Playing around with that.
this? I don't know if
Yeah.
you could convince me to buy this or stay in it. Although we should be looking at longs on the lower time frame, on the lower
Mm-hmm.
tick charts. So you're all right about
There's a
that.
clean long on the small chart,
Yeah,
and it
with
looked.
this up, yeah, we got to find the long on the small tick chart. Um, yeah, that's all right. Bad juju, yeah. All right, guys. Anybody that took the CL loser with Paul?
I'm still green overall for the day, even
What
with that
one
loss.
losing trade this morning out of okay, we killed one that was a winner anyway. But
I just gave a bunch of my money back. That's all I did. Bunch of my profit.
yeah, well, let's
Those don't hurt as bad.
switch accounts, move on to it the next day.
Pretty much what I'm going to do. Kind of the plan.
I know you
I
still
need
got
more
a few more
coffee.
accounts to trade, so
Oh yeah, I got plenty to trade. There's no shortage of accounts.
no. So moving on to the next one. That's how you
Oh,
keep yourself from blowing things up.
you don't blow up accounts. That's the best way to do it.
That's how to actually get a paycheck at the end of the month.
Cycle through them. Never risk more than 20% of your daily risk,
I'm telling
of your trailing risk, and you will not blow an account up.
you.
Can't tell you the last time I blew up an account. Actually, don't remember.
I still have.
Unless I did it on purpose or something. Now, I did have to lose. I will say I did have to give up a
What?
couple PAs because, well, you can only take so many draws before they try to move you to live. So, got to keep an eye on that.
Really?
Oh, yeah. Yeah. I'll explain all that to you
Yeah.
at
So
some
you had to
point
blow.
when you get there. But yeah, if like some of these ones that I'd had for a long time, I had to blow them up on purpose and start over because they were about to move me to live.
About to take you to a live
Waiting
event.
on. Yeah, which
Yeah.
you don't want. You don't want that. I mean, I guess you do if you want
But
to. I mean,
I don't.
it's a legitimate way to trade, I guess, but I'd rather just trade on their nickel.
That's what I was gonna say.
Just it's easier. They got more margin.
Well, not a real. It's not a real account. It's just
Yeah.
not a real account, and they give you a real account of like five
Right.
thousand dollars as opposed to your fake 50,000.
Right.
At some point, well, I mean, I guess that makes sense. At some point, they paid you more than the actual account size that give you.
Yeah, they have all prop firms have caps. Every one of them. You just got to know whichever one you're trading with. Keep an eye on it, and if you get close to it, you got to make that decision. Do you want to be taken to live, or do you want to start over? Another reason why
Hey, dude,
I have multiple. But that's neither here nor there. Going back to what we were talking about, as long as you're risking 20% of your draw every day, your trail, your buffer, whichever one that is, a trailing or a buffer, and you rotate through your accounts, you will never be in trouble. It won't happen. I don't care how bad a trader you are, it won't happen. If you're not exceeding 20% risk daily per account, you won't blow it up. And how do I know this? Because you could actually flip a coin every day and still probably be profitable enough not blow it up.
That's true. As long as you stick to the risk parameters.
Imagine, yeah, if you, as long as you stick to risk. Imagine if you put some actual methodology and trade plan behind that. You might make some money.
Is Dan? Dan, are you in here? Dan? 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 Dan the man.
Dan the man.
Dan? I think that email's real, Dan. That you're asking
Did we
about.
get Kevin resolved? Did Kevin get resolved?
I sent him a message.
Okay.
I don't know if
I
he got
see
back
he's
to
in
me.
here.
Kevin! I'm gonna kick him out.
Boot him.
I'm gonna remove him. Make him
Show him the
make him a
door.
brand
Show
new
him the
message.
door.
Kevin. I just pushed him out. He's gonna.
Did you really? He's gonna be like, "What the hell?" What?
He'll text me. He'll text me and be like, "What do you do that for? Because you haven't paid your bill, dude."
Dude, that whopping massive $99 bill.
$99 bill.
Man, if you can't get $99 worth of value in this room, then sorry, can't help you.
Yeah, no. You got your
One trade alone would have paid for half a year worth of room dues.
5 months, yeah.
Yes.
That one $500 NQ trade. Might be about break time now. Looks like everything's
Yeah, I
done.
actually got to go do my thing
Call.
anyway. So
You got Nurse Paul
Nurse
duties
Paul
today?
duties. Yeah, I got Nurse Paul duties.
All right, you want to take like 30,
I'll
40
be
minutes
glad we
off?
don't have to do that anymore. Yeah, that sounds at one.
Take
Come back around
20
noon and
minutes.
take a peek. I don't know.
Yeah, come
Or we
back
can
around
come
noon,
back
take a
around.
peek, and then
Or we can come back at 11:30. It won't take me that long. Just come back at 11:30 and then we can break for lunch afterwards.
Yeah, something like that.
All right, I'll go do that and be back in about 20 minutes. Be back in 20, people.
Be back. All right. Let's try and find my little break thing for people in the main room. Where's it at? There's whatever. There's one. There's one. There's something. It says we're on break. There we go. Do 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 do.